This is absolutely delicious. This is chicken curry, but this is chicken with yogurt or yogurt, whatever you call it, and lots of whole spices. It really, really is super fab. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So there's quite a lot of whole spices going into this one, so let me just show you them first. So we've got a teaspoon each here of cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, fenugreek, peppercorns, fennel seeds, and black seeds. I've also got 3 black cardamons in there, which I'm just opened out a little bit. A couple of red dried chilies and a little bit there of cinnamon. So there's our spices. So the other ingredients we're using are right here. So I've got here 4 chicken legs. I've taken the skin off, the bone is still in, and I've cut the leg in half. So you've got a kind of drumstick and the other piece. Then we've got 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Now, if you're gonna use curd like this or yogurt, it's good to whisk it, because when it comes out, it can end up being lumpy inside the sauce. So give it a little whisk so it's nice and smooth. 1 cup of onion. I'm using white onion for this. I think white onion works better in this one, and cut really nice and small. 1/2 cup of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then here a teaspoon of salt, turmeric, and chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. Let's get to the cooker and get this moving. Okay, so I've got my pan here. You're gonna need a pot, frying pan, wok type thing, of course. Now I'm gonna add some mustard oil to this. Mustard oil is quite essential for this particular dish. So there's about 2 tablespoons there. I'm on medium heat. We're gonna start off by dropping in the chili, the cinnamon, the black mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, the fenugreek, the black seeds, the peppercorns, and I forgot to mention, because I didn't see them in there, there's also a couple of cloves, the fennel seeds, and the black cardamom. Just a few seconds just to let them do their thing in here, and then we're going to be adding that 1 cup of onion and the ginger garlic paste. About 3 or 4 minutes, keep it moving. This is really delicious. Wonderful stuff. Next up, we're going to add the 1/2 cup of the tomato paste. To that, we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of salt, chili powder, and turmeric. And again, on this medium heat, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add the chicken. So chicken legs I'm using with the bone in, but with the skin off. We're going to stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for just another 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving quite a lot now. So of course, nowhere near cooked the chicken at this stage. What we're going to do now is we're going to add some water. There's a couple of cups of water there. Stay on the medium heat and let it go now for about 8 minutes or so. Give it a stir every now and then. If it dries out, top it up with a little bit more water. Okay, so for me, I didn't add any water. We're now going to add our curd or yogurt, and like I say, it's really quite important to whisk it, because this even though I've whisked it, it can still go lumpy. So in it goes a cup of plain yogurt, whatever you call it. We're going to mix this in now. We're going to lower the heat now, not medium. We're going to go to a nice low heat, just slightly above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for about another 5 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. This is delightful. Okay, off goes the heat. Just a couple more things. Lemon or lime. I've got a bit of lime here, just a little squeeze in there. Fresh cilantro or coriander. That is done really beautiful. Well done, everyone. So that is beautiful with rice, roti, chapati, some sort of bread. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Do the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe stuff for me, will you? Helps us out a bit, apparently. Take care. Lots of love.